Hey everybody, it's Jenna Allen with Mental Health Today. Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, my makeup routine. My videos are mainly on mental health and stuff, but I feel like most things kind of go with mental health. But this is just my makeup routine. When I was younger, I didn't really know how to do makeup properly, so over the years I've kind of learned better ways to do makeup. So this is just my makeup routine. Some people do it differently. This is just kind of like my personal routine that I do every day, and then I'm going to be doing a lot of relationship advice on my channel as well. So this is just how I do my makeup. Okay. So what I like to do is I like to put like this lavender stuff on my face, right? Just to add softness. Okay. Make it smell nice, kind of thing. And then I do, because my face is so like white, I do this stuff. So I have two different foundations that I use personally. So this stuff, I buy my stuff from Walmart because Sephora is very expensive. So I mix that with this stuff that I buy from Walmart. It's like, I think it was like $10 or something. This stuff is really good. I personally love it because it adds, I used to do my makeup very dark, and I do like a light smoky eye now. I don't know how the lighting is in here, but hopefully you can see that. And then I use this eyeliner stuff for my eyes. So this stuff is hard candy. Like I said, I buy my makeup from Walmart. Some people do Sephora. I'm not that rich, otherwise I would. But I just do like a light line right on the eyelid, like that. And then, that was not, so, that one I messed up a little bit. It's alright, I guess. So there's that. And then what I try to do is I add this like nice red. See this nice red right here? I put that on top of my eye for like a smoky eye. I also do, after this, I know it looks dark, but I add like a white color around it to lighten it up. So like what I'll do is I'll add this white color as well, so it's a little bit lighter and not too dark. Right, so I know it looks, but I also will try and add it around the eye to add like a pop. The lighting, keep in mind the lighting's not the best in this bathroom, so it looks lighter in person, obviously. But, and then I use e.l.f. for the eyebrows. So I use this brown darkish color. I don't like to keep in mind, like, the lighting in here is pretty bad, so it does not look as dark as it looks a lot lighter in person, so keep that in mind. I need to get a charger. I have a photography camera that I would use to film. It's just it's kind of, I don't have a charger for it. So otherwise I would actually film with my camera. I am filming from a laptop, so that's kind of how I do my videos. So keep that in mind. And then I also have fake eyelashes that I do like to wear. So keep that in mind. I eventually am going to be getting a charger for my camera so I have better quality videos. It's just with the virus going on, money is obviously really tight for everybody. I'm trying to better my videos though, because I obviously want to have more viewers, but also to help people. It's kind of what I want to do. That's why I do my videos, is to help people. Plus it's fun, right? So the lighting is not the best in here, like I said. So I apologize if my makeup looks a lot darker on the video. It's because of the lighting. So, and like I said, like most of my videos are gonna be like mental health and advice and relationship and stuff. I just thought I'd do a makeup routine because, well, it's a very common video that people do. So I was like, all right, I'll show you guys how I do my makeup. Right. So, hold on. Yeah, so that's like, it's kind of hard to see, but this is kind of how I do my makeup. And what I do is, this stuff is really good. So I have really, really pale skin. So I use this concealer just to add a little bit of, you know, sparkle. I go like that. And it adds a nice, you know, okay, I know it's kind of hard to see, but let's see if I can go in the light, show you guys. That looks better like that. See? There we go. That's kind of how I like to do my makeup. So yeah, that's how I do my makeup. Sorry the lighting is not the best, guys. This is just kind of how I do my makeup. The next video I'm going to be doing will be what women really want in a man and what men really want in women. So stay tuned. This is just my makeup routine. I wish the lighting was better, guys. I'm so sorry. But yeah, so my next video will be what women really want in a man, and I'm going to be doing some more advice videos and some mental health videos, and stay tuned at Mental Health Today. Bye!